Hi, I'm Josh Nelson from PuroClean of South Reno, serving all of Reno, Sparks, and the surrounding areas. You're probably here because you need some restoration services due to a property damage or perhaps one of our other cleaning services described on the website, or maybe to help remove an odor from your property. Anything you need, we're here to help you as quickly and efficiently as possible. You've come to the right place. We are the paramedics of property damage, professionally trained, thoroughly screened, fully insured, and industry certified to remediate residential and commercial property, cleaning and damage. We are confident in what we do because we have learned the PuroClean way. We have a proven track record of successful job completion and relentlessly deliver outstanding customer service. We treat you like family and your property like our own, with compassion and care while remaining completely professional. Call us at 775-446-4646 for help anytime, day or night, 24/7 to restore and rescue your property.